Hello and welcome to our new video. In this video, we will talk about the Smart Lead affiliate program. Smartlead.ai is a software platform designed to supercharge your cold email lead generation strategy by automating various aspects of the process. It is a good fit for sales teams, marketers, and entrepreneurs who rely on cold email outreach to generate leads and close deals. It is an excellent AI sales tech tool which also has an excellent affiliate partner program. The program is too easy to start with. Just sign up as a partner. Use your referral link to generate sales and earn a 15% recurring commission every time your referral renews their subscription. People buying from your link will also be provided a 500 bonus leads. Is it worth sharing Smart Lead AI? It pays for itself in the long term. It makes you multiple of that. Beneficial for people looking to make more money, and you get 15% on each customer. How do you get paid out? You become eligible for commission at least 45 days after your referred customer converts from a trial to a paid account, provided the total amount reaches USD 50 or more. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again.